You know, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I don't like them all. And you know what I do? I just keep scrolling. 31, 32, 34, 35. Oh, yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay. Well, howdy folks, welcome back. I'm in the shop today. And you know, I'm not really good at install videos, but we're gonna attempt one today. I've got my 2021 Road Glide Limited, known as Smokey, and I'm gonna put a new headlight in. Eagle Light sent me their LED projection headlight, and we are going to attempt to take the outer fairing off and change out the light. I will say the stock headlight on this bike is bright. The guys I ride with, known as the Rusty Bolts, all have commented how bright my stock headlight is, but I really like that Eagle Light projection LED headlight, so they were kind enough to send it to me. And I'll leave a link in the description below and use discount code BogeyBiker for 15% off if you are interested and would like to give it a shot. I think I have everything I need. According to the videos that I've watched, I have a T30, T25, 1/8 Allen, 3/16 Allen, 3mm flathead screwdriver, and some of these pry tools, plastic pry tools. There she be. Man, that sure is pretty in person. So before we do that, I'm gonna shut the door on the shop and see if we can't get a before and after of the light. It'll be pretty dark in here when I do that. Low beam, high beam. Okay, well that wasn't really too dark, so I'm not sure how good that comparison is. But the first thing we're gonna do is take the windshield off, and I believe that's a T25. No, that's a 1/8 Allen. Some of them I think are Phillips head. All right, got it done there. Okay, didn't really need that. One tip I did like is to put 2 of these back in here, just keep this from dropping down when you get all the bolts out, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Also, speaking of Christmas, I don't know if I've said Christmas yet, but hope you're all getting ready to have a wonderful Christmas with your families. BogeyBiker.com, I got a new shirt out, and here that is. It's another line from the Rusty Bolt song. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first bar. On the front, journey of 1,000 miles, on the back begins with the first bar. We also have the Crazy My Mama Say black hoodie still available, and the bogey hat. So yeah, if you are interested, go to BogeyBiker.com and pick you up some merch. This is where maybe the pry tool, you're supposed to go from the inside. Tabs in there, we gotta take the speaker covers off. Yeah, just got 3 tabs. Take both sides off. There's one. Okay, it's actually a 3/16 Talon, I don't know what I did over there. See, when I don't have my reading glasses on, I can't see, but it's a 3/16 Allen. And 2. What channel does the best install videos like this? I'd like to watch and learn a little bit because I'm terrible at this. All right, next step, we got to get these bolts out. Yep, T25. Okay. Now we got to take, I believe it's a T30. Let's see. Yeah, T30. There's one bolt holding the light to the fairing. The light will stay with the fairing when you take it off. You know? Really should probably cover that front fender, which I did not do. Okay, you gotta unplug the blinkers. Okay. And she's off and filthy. All right. Okay. You gotta get these back ones here. That's what's holding it on there. Let's get our 3/16. Then she should come on. Okay, there she is. Let's compare the lights side by side. There's the stock Harley light for 2021 Road Glide Limited, which again is right. And there is the LED projection light from Eagle Lights. Really looks cool, I think. Okay, let's see if we can get her put on. Okay, then we take these brackets. We got, go there, there. Okay, this is made a little more difficult because I'm not unplugging these. So we're going to install the side lights on here, and it's a bolt and a washer, lock washer, and a nut on all 4 sides. So we're going to draw on all 4 corners. So we are going to attempt that. Here I'm using a 5/16 nut driver on the back side of those nuts. I'll plug it in. And get one bolt in there. 3/16 hex. Okay, let's see here. I think these just go in behind. And you got a brown that goes on this side, a purple that goes on this side. What the f is that hooked to though? Okay, now let's get the bolts on. We'll snug them down until we get them all four in there. And I'm putting Loctite on these also. Some videos you watch, nobody puts Loctite on, and some put Loctite on everything. I'm a fan of Loctite. Snap this piece back in there. Okay. Now let's see. Still got to put the fairing back on and the turn signals, but let's just see. Yeah. Oh. All right, now we're just going to go back together like we took it off, opposite direction. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so it's a couple hours later. I got the bike pulled outside. I'm gonna shut this light off and see if the camera will do it justice. Actually, I haven't even turned the light on since it got dark. I'm gonna aim that right out there, out into the pasture. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I don't know if that's coming across or not. I mean, I'm 20 yards away from it. It's pitch black outside, so you're seeing my face. Now well, man, that is. Well, I'm down here by the water tank. Just keep going. So I know I'm 150 feet, would be my guess. I'm gonna step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So I was 60 yards away back there. Okay, if I can not bust my ass getting back. All right, well, that's it. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, install videos are not my favorite thing to do, and I'm not very good at it. But I wanted to show you that light. I've been excited to get it, and I thank Eagle Lights for sending it to me. So if you're in the market for a new headlight, I think Eagle Lights is worth giving a look. Use my discount code BogeyBiker for 15% off. Yeah, so far my experience with them has been great, customer service wise and product wise. And I wanted to say one more thing. I don't get a lot of trolls, but ever so often, and I guess the more subscribers and viewers I get, the more often this happens, and I don't really let it bother me.
I wish you could just shut your big yapper.
But, you know, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I don't like them all. And you know what I do? I just keep scrolling. I'm amazed at some of the dipshits that will say the rudest stuff and think that it accomplishes anything, because it doesn't. So if you don't like it, don't watch. I'm not making them for you. I'm making them for myself and for all the great people. The 99.9% of the people that are on here are great, and I appreciate you, and I've enjoyed getting to meet all of you, and I look forward to meeting a lot more of you in the near future. We just getting started. Appreciate you watching. See you next time.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.